If you've ever wanted to graduate from bored moisture farmer to epic space pilot, now's your chance. The Star Wars battle quants from propeller remote control quadcopter drones that challenge each other in glorious recreations of the dogfights from George Lucas classic movies. Originally launched in late 2016 in small quantities, they're back for 2017 at the slightly lower price of $180, roughly £140 or $230 each, with an even cheaper version of the X-Wing coming soon. Also new is an updated companion app that keeps track of your scores as you fight other quads, and offers a flight simulator with training missions you can play before you risk your drone. Choose from a Rebel T-65 X-Wing starfighter, Darth Vader's Imperial TIE Advanced X-1 or a 74Z speeder bike from Return of the Jedi, complete with Imperial Scout Trooper figure to ride it. They're on sale now, with a Millennium Falcon model expected to land sometime around the Han Solo movie in summer 2018. The models look perfect, hand-painted and packed with detail. There are some compromises to drone flight, such as vents in the TIE fighter's wings and the little front legs required to hold the rotors. But the rotor blades are transparent and the vents are cleverly incorporated into the design, leaving the drones looking pleasingly like their on-screen counterparts while they're in motion. What really sells the Star Wars on us is the sound. Above the high-pitched whir of the drones, your controller plays sounds, music and quotes from the movies that take you right into the famous space battle scenes. The snippets of dialogue react to the action with phrases such as "stay on target," "I can't shake him," and "good shot kid." The music and sound effects help to really draw you into the Star Wars universe. The signature laser blast pew pew noises are the absolute best. Each vehicle has a different soundtrack and dialogue clips,